So these are the Quntis Cordless table lamp. There is a set of two. These are rechargeable operated lamp. It's got touch control, multiple dimming LED light for the lamp, studio, patio, coffee shop, whatever you want to use it in. So there's two different colors. There's black, there's white. This is the black version. And just give you a little bit on the measurements. You can see right here that they're on the side of the box, but just to give you a quick reference, it's 3.9 inches wide, so 4 inches wide. The lamp itself is 4 inches tall. The entire length of the entire lamp itself, including the base, is 9.5 inches. And then the lamp base across the bottom is 4 inches. And it does have an anti-blue light. So we'll talk about that a little bit later when we get in, and I'll actually show you the light. So as far as in the box, it comes with some kind of easy setup guide. And this is the dual box. You can see that I just turned it on, pulling it out of the box. One of them. There's the second one. So we're going to get everything out of the box. Pretty easy. They're just wrapped in plastic. And they're ready to go right out of the box. So you can see that I've turned one on as a little bit dimmer than the other. Let me just move some of this out of the way. So this is the soft and this is the white. You can see the brightness there is a little bit different. Very sturdy on the bottom, on the base. So let me just show you the base there. Get these around. So you can see, and each of them comes with their own USB to USB-C charger, and that USB-C charger is on the back. You can see right there. So I've just changed this one, so this one is a little bit lighter. And here's the other cord. So this is everything that's included in the box. It does have a user manual. I'm not going to go step by step through the user manual. I'm actually going to put the lights in some locations where you can see the difference between the colors, the difference between the brightness, what that looks like as far as that goes. This is the 2-pack. It is black. So as far as your instructions go, very simple. We just touch it to turn it on or off. We long press. Well, once we turn it on, we long press to increase the brightness, and then we double click to change the color. So you can see, and maybe this one's out of batteries because it just came out of the box, that it changed the coolness of that. So these will last 6 to 24 hours in standby. It takes about 4 to 5 hours to charge. I think it also depends on how long you're using the light and what brightness and what lumens. It's IP44 waterproof, which if you're familiar with that, gives you kind of a waterproof rating. It's of IP44. So I'm actually going to take them outside and I'll show you what they look like outside. The beautiful thing is you can just take them on the go and you can move them anywhere. And so as I take it outside and show you some different situations in the house, I'm going to turn off all of the other lights so you can see what this looks like by itself on its own. So we're just going to use one of them and we'll go from there. While you're charging with your USB-C, you're going to get a red LED that shows that it's charging. And then one of the other beautiful things that I love about this portable lamp, LED lamp, is the long touch on the top changes the brightness. So again, if we just touch it once, the light goes off. Here's both lights on at the same time out on our patio in the back. If we wanted to have a more intimate, kind of romantic setting, we do have lights above on the pergola, but this is great just with these two. And again, these are portable, and so you could just grab them and move them. This is one in the middle of the table, so I'll turn the other one off. So you can see it lights up almost the entire table. And again, these are 9 inches tall by 4 inches wide, super easy to control, LED rechargeable lights, mobile, you can take them anywhere. Absolutely fantastic.